There's so many options available in the market of different types of toothbrushes that are there. Some are natural, made up of bamboo, some are synthetic, some are crisscrossed. Some are meant for healthier, stronger gums, some are meant for teeth sensitivity, or some are just meant for whiter, brighter teeth. Or there's a basic difference between a manual toothbrush and an electric toothbrush. Do you fall in this category where you're just overwhelmed or confused with the choices that you have? My name is Dr. Akshay Parmar. I'm a dentist specialized in oral and maxillofacial prosthodontics. And by the end of this video, I'll help you understand which type of brush is better for you. Let's dive into the basic difference between a manual toothbrush and an electric toothbrush. Starting with electric toothbrush. How does it work? It has a battery that is built in, which can be recharged and replaced over a period of time, which helps to power these bristles on the top to move in a vibrating or an oscillating manner. Number one, have effective plaque removal up to 21%. Now, because it's automated and works on its own, it provides a deeper and a better cleaning. Built-in timers. You must have heard all dentists recommend to brush maximum of 2 minutes. These electric toothbrushes have a built-in timer that helps you brush for the recommended period of time. Number 3. Pressure sensors. These electric toothbrushes can have these pressure gauges which can help you understand that, hey, you're applying too much pressure. This can be in the form of a color change or a buzz from the electric toothbrush itself. Also, a lot of these apps have AI-powered softwares which helps you understand which areas of the teeth you brushed well and which areas or surfaces you might have potentially missed. Number 4. Ease of use. A lot of people who might fall in the following category find it very easy to brush with electric toothbrush compared to a manual toothbrush. Number 1. People who have limited dexterity. That means people who find it difficult to use fine hand motor skills like writing or brushing in this manner find it easier to brush with electric toothbrush, making it easy for them to clean their teeth. Limited mobility. Patients who have osteoarthritis of the hand or any hand injuries or fractures find it easier again to use the electric toothbrush. Other patients like cognitive impairment, dementia, or any other cognitive disabilities find it easier, and also patients with vision impairment makes it easier for them to brush with electric toothbrush. In children, especially now, electric toothbrushes is a fun activity. Many parents use this because they have fun, vibrant colors that comes in these electric toothbrushes with apps and songs that makes this activity a fun activity between a parent and the kid, encouraging the kids to brush from an early age to keep a good oral hygiene. Orthodontic appliances. A lot of patients who have the braces find it easier to brush, and it helps in effective cleaning with electric toothbrush around the braces compared to a manual toothbrush. Another set of patients who have had recent oral surgeries like extraction or gum surgeries where brushing in a gentle manner is recommended find it easier to brush with electric toothbrush in order to minimize the trauma in the areas. The last advantage of this electric toothbrush is multiple modes. A lot of these companies have come out with multiple modes that caters teeth sensitivity, gum health, or better brushing or whitening of the teeth. If you see in the market today, an electric toothbrush starts anywhere between $50 and can range up to $200, maybe up to $300 depending on the feature that the brand is offering you. Number 2, battery dependency. These electric toothbrushes needs to be recharged over a period of a week or a month depending on the usage and when you bought it. Complexity. A lot of patients do not like that much of technology, find it difficult to use electric toothbrush because there are so many settings that it confuses them. And lastly, the major one, portability issues. Whenever I feel I'm traveling, I find it very difficult to carry electric toothbrush compared to a manual toothbrush because it's number 1 big, and number 2, now in today's day and age, a lot of these airlines charge you extra even for a single half a pound to be carried in your cabin bag or in your check-in bag. Manual toothbrushes is not a fancy gadget, is not battery operated like electric toothbrush. It can be made up of a simple natural bamboo handle or a synthetic plastic handle with the bristles which can be soft, medium, or hard. Toothbrush number one is affordability. A lot of these manual toothbrushes are easily affordable by general population. It can range between $5 to $20 depending on where you buy it and what kind of pack or number of brushes you're buying in one go. Number two, simple to use. As I mentioned previously, a lot of patients might find it difficult to or be overwhelmed with a lot of settings found in electric toothbrush that they find it easy to use a manual toothbrush. I can carry it anywhere in my backpack or in my cabin bag, and it's easy to travel with. So, a manual toothbrush is more portable compared to electric toothbrush. Number two, there's no inbuilt timer or a pressure sensor that tells you that, hey, you're brushing too hard or to brush at a recommended period of time. Now, manual toothbrush is technique sensitive. It is sometimes difficult for patients to maintain a consistent brushing habit or technique to clean around all the surfaces, especially on the back of the teeth. Which one is better? Now, here's the thing. Both electric toothbrush and manual toothbrushes do a great job while cleaning the biofilm or the plaque in maintaining your teeth. If you find it very difficult to know how much pressure you're applying or timing yourself, or if you're one of those patients who find it difficult to brush because of lack of dexterity, visual impairment, cognitive disabilities, or you're a parent and you have kids, you want to make brushing a fun activity to inculcate this good habit from the beginning, then electric toothbrush is the better choice for you. If you're someone who goes to a dentist during the hygiene appointments and your dentist or your hygienist says, hey, Jack, you've been keeping your teeth clean. And if you're using a manual toothbrush, then continue using. You don't have to switch to electric toothbrush. It really does not depend on the type of toothbrush that you're using. It is more dependent on the technique that you're using and the consistency that you have with your brushing. You have two sets of car, a manual car where you need to change the gears or an automatic car where the car automatically runs on its own. You just have to press the accelerator or the brake. Which one runs faster or better? It depends on the user, on the driver itself to understand what is better for them. Guys, if you're still struggling between electric toothbrush and a manual toothbrush, probably it's not the choice, probably it's the way you need to maintain your teeth. If you're struggling with that, you probably want to check out this video on 5 tips of how to prevent cavities formation, where I discuss brushing technique, flossing technique, the role of saliva, and the diet itself. Do check it out.